Hi, KG2. Today I'm talking to you from a very ice cold place. It's winter in Canada. Has anyone ever been in Canada in winter or someplace like it gets very cold, like Russia or somewhere else in Europe or even in America? Well, today we're going to talk a little bit about weather and seasons. And what I'd like you to do is think about maybe a place you've been or a movie you've seen where the weather is very different from Bahrain. So, for example, right now my family in Canada has snow on the ground, and they went tobogganing and skiing and even ice skating. Can we do that here in Bahrain in the winter? Now here I am in sunny Bahrain, where the temperature is lovely to get out and for a walk, and maybe it's a little windy and dusty today, but it's still sunny and bright and warm. So, how is the weather different in Bahrain on a day like today than it is in a place like Canada? Why are seasons so different? What makes them different? What do you know about seasons in Bahrain versus other countries? So, my question for you, KG2, why do you think seasons are different depending on where you live? There's no wrong ideas or wrong answers. I just want to think and hear what you think about why seasons are different all over the world depending on where you live. And do you know anything about seasons in Bahrain? What kind of seasons do we have? So I took some pictures off the internet about times and seasons in Canada. So up in the top left one, it's kind of what a lot of people in Canada do in the summer. Spend a lot of time outdoors on the lakes, canoeing, kayaking, that kind of thing. The top right is another season, it's fall, when all the leaves change color. The bottom left shows how much snow we get in Canada. And the bottom right shows how in the springtime, all of the trees come into bloom and the flowers start to blossom and everything becomes very green again. Now, here are 4 different pictures from Bahrain taken at similar times that the ones in Canada were taken. So one is spring, one is summer, one is fall, and one is winter. Can you tell which one is which when we're in Bahrain? Can you tell which picture was done in summer versus winter? If you can't tell, why not? Do we have 4 completely different seasons in Bahrain? Or are they more similar than the ones in Canada? Tell me what you think. So here's your job. What I'd like you to do is record your thoughts either in a video or a voice note, or you can write them down. But let me know, what do you think? Why do we have different seasons in different places in the world? Why do they look different? Or why are our seasons in Bahrain so different from the ones in Canada? And can you tell the difference between certain seasons in Bahrain? For example, is one time of the year windier or dustier? Do we get more rain? Is it hotter? Tell me everything you know about seasons, comparing Bahrain and a place like Canada or somewhere you've been, and just let me know your thoughts.